good, YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and today you're back with another video, man. Today we finna be doing a reaction video to Rain by NBA YoungBoy. So, but before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Push the notification button and tap into the recent video. And let's make it to 300 subs. Come on now, come on y'all. Let's make it to 300 subs. Yeah, y'all know who this is right here.
All I got to say is subscribe to my Instagram. Run me some follows on TikTok. And yeah, like you said, get them to 300K.
Alright, so we're finna get straight into the video. No talking. Video will be right there. So yeah. Okay, good show. We're running outside.
Oh God.
This is special, you about to know about it. Ain't exciting me. Friends go to the sky from my heart, off top my knees. What you sow in these you reap. Take a picture with no cheese. In 2 ways, I no money in my hand, no smile on top of me. I just want to get the
Alright, so look, I already heard this song before, but this is the first time hearing it, so he basically doing a reaction at that, you feel me? So we gonna see his reaction. What do you think about it?
Nigga trying to fool me.
You gonna wait till the sun come out? Alright, so y'all, that's the end of that video. Hey, how you like it? Be honest.
Yeah, I'm gonna be 100%. Alright, so the verse was fast type shit. That's a good thing type. He had a tune. Yeah, but my final rating of the song is, I'm gonna say 8.5 out of 10.
Alright, so why, so how can they get the other 2 points?
If the song...
The song was longer?
Yeah, if the song was a little bit longer, he would have got other 2.
It be like that though. The song would be short, but that bit be hard though. And we just need it longer.
I'm saying, if you had that bit longer, it would have been...
I'm gonna hop on and be like,
can you tell me if it's stormy? Don't want me wrong by asking you to come.
tell me if it's raining. I wanna look outside my
I'm
window.
gonna start doing this tracks in this bit.
Please. Nah, though. Man. Nah, though. We in this bit. Run up on my wrist, cookies in my hand, and it's really fucking, and I got me Lay's and a comic brownie. No, what you know about fudge cake?
Fudge cake, man.
Fudge round, I mean, not fudge cake. But yeah, I hope y'all like the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You know what I'm saying? Like that. I hope you run this video up to 100 likes. You heard me? 100 likes. You heard me? Like that, but not though. Yo.